Hi, welcome back to Khulke Bolo with Ma, and today we're going to discuss a topic which is very important for me as well as a parent because मेरा बच्चा भी preteen है. So preteen क्या होता है, preteen के क्या issues होते हैं और हम उसको कैसे sort कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए आज हमारे साथ है वर्णिका अग्रवाल. Varnika is a career coach, a mentor and the founder of My Big Leap, through which she counsels school students, undergraduates, graduates and corporates. So today we're going to discuss preteens with Varnika. So Varnika, I'm a mother to a 12-year-old boy who's in his preteens obviously. You know, and at times मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता है कि उसकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. For example, I know that communication is very important. तो जब वो स्कूल से आता है, you know, like a typical mom, I don't want to ask him, बेटा, how was your day? What did you do? How was your day good? Because I know I will get typical answers to it. So, as a career coach, can you, and as a mentor, can you tell me how I can, you know, not be a helicopter mom, not be intrusive, and still be glued on to what's happening in his life?
That's a very good question, Prerna. As parents, we all want to be, fully involved with our children's lives. What is happening? What happened with them in the school? वहाँ पर क्या हुआ? आज उनकी किसी से लड़ाई हुई या क्या अच्छी बात हुई? क्या आज उन्हें punishment मिली? But you as a parent, we should all look for windows of opportunity. Wherein your child is ready to talk to you, not when you are ready to listen to them. ये बहुत important point है जो हम miss कर जाते हैं. जब बच्चा स्कूल से आता है, हम दौड़ के उनसे बहुत खुश होकर पूछेंगे, बेटा आज तुम्हारा दिन कैसा था. बट वी डोंट रियलाइज कि बच्चा मे बी किसी से लड़ाई करके आया है, मे बी ही इज फीलिंग वेरी हॉट, ही इज वेरी हंग्री. सो यू शुड होल्ड बैक दोस फ्लरी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट यू हैव एंड वेट व्हेन योर चाइल्ड इज इन द मूड टू रियली रिप्लाई टू यू. ड्यूरिंग प्रीटीन years, children are facing with so many issues. There are just so many hormonal changes, physical changes. They are grappling with, dealing with making new friends, balancing schoolwork and so many extracurricular classes. So it's very important कि हम अपने बच्चों के सही मायने में दोस्त बने. So communication is very important, and when I say make yourself available for your child, because it is now when you can really make that contact and that rapport you can build up with your child, because when once they are in teenage, anyways it's very difficult to get through. हम अपने बच्चों से अपने बचपन की मज़ेदार बातें डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, और we can even talk to them about our failures. Always as parents we always talk about success. बेटा तुम ये करो, you should be successful, देखो मैंने ये achieve किया, that is why here I am here where I am. But we should also share with them our failures. Right. Because they should understand that it's okay to fail, but what is it that you did after you failed? That's what is most important. And another thing is that if you listen in a very non-judgmental way, is when they will really open up to you. Don't judge them. Just listen to them openly. You can always think later on what you need to do, your path correction, how you need to respond to him later on. Right now, focus more on listening to him than telling him and talking to him. Also share with them our failures. Right. Because they should understand that it's okay to fail, but what is it that you did after you failed? That's.
So Varnika, it's very difficult आजकल के ज़माने में जहाँ पे इतने distractions है, where you have the laptop, the mobiles, the iPads, the tablets, everything available to the kids. They are born with these things in their hand. Okay, so इतने distractions है that studying, which is like a bookish study, becomes very difficult for kids to get involved into, and then for us to explain to them कि पढ़ना क्यों ज़रूरी है.
See, preteens is the time when children usually lack the understanding and the skills required to be successful in the work world. So, and this is exactly the time wherein the academic pressure is not that high. So, as parents should use up this time very effectively by doing two important things. First is help them to be aware about the different professions and careers that are available in today's world. See, lot of new professions, new careers have come up, and बच्चों का जो exposure है वो limited होता है, तो उसको हमें expand करना है. So once they are aware of all the different possibilities of professions that are available, it will be easier for them to make up their mind slowly. We all know बच्चों को आज डॉक्टर बनना है, कल पायलट बनना है, परसों साइंटिस्ट बनना है, so their choices keep changing. You should really use up this time to work on their soft skills. Soft skills are actually the career readiness skills. By this I mean communication skills, analytical skills, team building skills, or for that matter problem solving skills. So encourage your child to participate a lot into school's extracurricular activities. All these skills will really help him becoming a well-rounded individual. And once this whole link is established, he will be able to really relate to how my school is relating to the real world. How can I be successful? So automatically his interest levels will increase when he is in school, and learning will become more fun.
So basically what I understand, Varnika, आप ये कह रहे हो कि instead of telling them directly कि don't watch your iPad or laptop, you don't get a laptop, you're saying that to make them aware of the options that are available to them, and so that once they know what careers are available, what are the options, they will be themselves interested, and they will you will not have to pull them away from things, right?
Exactly. आज हम बैठ के कोई भी ये प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकता कि 20 साल बाद what will be the professions. So what as parents we should really focus on is making our children ready for the times to come, and this will happen only when they are ready to accept the change. Exactly, because the real learning happens when the person who is the seeker actually wants to learn. Teenage, wherein actually when all of these body changes are happening, the academic pressure is surmounting, that's when they will be able to focus more on figuring out who they really are at the core. And that's where you need to then seek for professional career counseling to figure out where their real interests lie. Because all of this that you would have done in the last 2-3 years would have helped them figure out their strengths and weaknesses. So in today's session, we covered the importance of effective communication, that as a parent you should be an effective listener, an active listener, and being very non-judgmental when you are talking to your children. So you are giving them a base to prepare themselves, and once they are in class 8, they'll be better equipped to be able to understand themselves. So help them figure out their personality type, their career interests, their learning style. What is it that motivates them?